elevators here at the Marriott Hotel, Pleasanton. 6. These are fixed. We're stopping at 3. We'll just switch. Okay. There we go.
We have like a lot of stuff.
It's fine.
I'm so sorry. They didn't change the price on your nails? Bye, have fun today.
Bye, thank you, ladies.
Yeah. Thank you. Are you doing a film project?
Oh no, I'm actually just interested in elevators. So
Really?
I've been taking videos of elevators ever since I was like 11.
That's so cool. I used to be scared of elevators.
Really?
Yeah, because of movies and stuff.
Yeah.
They never have a floor 13 in elevators.
Yeah. Sorry, you probably caught all of that. Sound bites.
Oh my god, yeah, I'm sorry.
No, you're good. You guys are good.
Just look at those. Elevators are cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Take care.
Listen to this motor. Jeez, that is amazing. That is freaking amazing. Man, the pitch on that is just outstanding. Whoa. See if we can get that single slide car. I don't know if that one's working or not.